Welcome everyone to Ethereum Cat Herders meeting 137. We'll be going over some updates from last week and just generally doing some discussion of network upgrades. To start, we'll go with ECH engineering. George, do you have any updates for us?
Yeah, they're just minor updates. They're pretty much some updates to the UI, mainly on the homepage, some copyright stuff on the website as well. And there's like a PR that will be pushed up this week. So
Cool.
Just to add on a little bit here, I have shared an issue in the chat. People can refer to that issue, and if they are comfortable making any pull request to update the website, please take a look. I know there are some people who are lurking around and trying to help and contribute. I think this list may help people to support with the website update.
Cool.
yeah, the repo is completely open source, so feel free to add issues, PRs, whatever.
From last week, there was a couple action items. The first was a disclaimer that it's about educational purposes, not providing financial advice. Was that taken care of?
Yeah, they're included in the PR.
Okay, cool. And then there was a request for the update on the general stats on the website, followers, subscribers, and all that.
That it has not been addressed yet.
Okay, no worries. I'll move that to next time. Cool. I guess going into ECH ops, Akash, do you want to talk about what's been put together in the last week?
I'm currently working on that spatial video Ethereum upgrade something, and working on like pre-production of spatial video, something 3D animated video. So yeah.
Cool. I know there was a couple peep neeps that went out, and we're going to be recording an ecosystem project demo today, so more to come. Pooja, is there anything you have to report?
Yeah, I just wanted to say what you already said. We have a few things lined up for this week, so people should expect ecosystem project demo that we have scheduled for today. And I think in the past week, we also have released the podcast version of All Core Dev meeting. This is something new that has been started. So people can find All Core Dev meetings on Ethereum Cat Herders podcast now.
Yeah, totally. I think last week was maybe our second one. So we have a couple that are up now. Is there any update on Peeps or on WIEP?
Yeah, right. On WIEP, we are going to start the cohort 2 that would be started from August 19th at 1400 UTC. If people want to join, they can follow the Discord channel for it. Feel free to reach out to me or maybe shoot a message on Twitter to WIEP team, and we will get in touch with you. Other than that, WIP is also preparing to have a presence in Eat Singapore, where we are hoping to have full day event, maybe talking to different researchers from Ethereum community, and hopefully we'll get to meet some interesting women already working in this space. On Peep and Eep, we have a Peep and Eep scheduled for Spectra DevNet. I'm hoping to have Paritosh, Mario, and team to provide us update on how we are doing on DevNet for Spectra upgrade, which is currently under progress. I think we are already on DevNet 2 and hoping to start with the DevNet 3 specs. So yeah, it will be an interesting watch for people. That is scheduled on August 20th at 1830 UTC. Hopefully we'll be adding more PEEP recording for EOF EIPs. People can also check out the existing playlist of Spectra, which includes over 10 EIPs, I believe, for the next network upgrade.
And maybe another plug for the All Core Devs call. All Core Devs 134, if you're interested in what's going on with DevNet and kind of the scheduling of when the DevNet is going to have different versions and what might be in them. That was a great call that covered a lot of that. Okay. As for meetings from last week, or I guess last 2 weeks, we have the list that I can provide. It's also in the GitHub. A lot of them covered on our YouTube channel, so feel free to check them out. Pooja, do you have any update on events, fellowships, and hackathon?
Yeah, I think before that we can perhaps have an insight on EIPS Insight. I see Vivin from the EIPS dev team have joined us here. Then if you would like to talk a little bit more about that.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Vivin, a developer from EIPS Insight. So I want to share the updates and the current progress for this 1 month, for the August month. So these are the updates so far in the month of August, where there is one EIP that is created as a draft, and one ERC as a draft, and one review, like one ERC is updated to the review status. And these are the plots for those stats. And coming to the EIPs that are upgraded, EIP 7637 is created as a draft, and ERC 7738 is created as a draft. And 7631 is the one that is updated to the review status. You can have a look at the EIPS Insights website, where we have plots for all of them. One EIP and one ERC are updated for the draft, and one for the and coming to the EIPs that are updated. So this is the draft that is being updated, and this is a new UI. We are still working on that, and it is being updated from time to time. This is the one that is created in the EIP section as a draft, and the other EIP is the other one is ERC that is created as a draft 7738. And yeah, this is the one that is updated to review status. Yes.
Yeah, great. Thank you, Vivin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe that people can also find the commit history in the on the page of EIPS Insight itself.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for the updates. And I hope we continue building on the tooling that may be able to help EIP editors even more to follow the progress and may be able to understand how we are doing in terms of adding pull requests and issues.
Yes, ma'am. I'm working on that.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I believe ZK asked about other events.
Yep, events, fellowships, hackathons.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, we may want to update this section. So I'm very happy to share that our application, Ethereum Cat Holders application to join DEF CON as impact partner has been approved. We would now be allocated perhaps a booth where we can talk to people, let community know about Ethereum, what Ethereum Cat Holders do. And I really hope to make maximum utilization of this opportunity, be able to contribute to the DEF CON event, support them, as well as provide related information to the community. So this group, if anyone is planning to join DEF CON, We would love to hear from you, and we would love to hear ideas and suggestions by which we can make our impact the most in this event. This, I think, would be our first DevCon representation. Ethereum cat herders have visited DevCon in the past, but on an individual capacity. This would be the first time when we are trying to join this event as an entity, a non-profit entity, to support the Ethereum blockchain. So any thoughts, ideas, suggestions, please feel free to share with us. And I believe there are a couple of options available for us in which we can make the impact. Maybe we can add those links here in the agenda right after the meeting so people can follow that and share some information with us. I'm hoping to also support ETH Singapore, not only with WIEP, but also making a presence of Ethereum cat herders. We don't have any space decided yet, but hopefully we'll try to connect with different researchers and be able to invite them to provide talks on the latest topic of Ethereum space. So yeah, I think those are on the events. And I think I already shared about the fellowship that is going to start cohort 2. We are going to start the study group there. If you're interested, feel free to join. Reach out to me. I'm happy to provide more information on that.
Super cool. I think that brings us to new initiatives. We talked last time about adding the AI tool to the ECH website, having it answer questions about EIP details. Has there been any update on that?
Yeah, I was checking for an add-on. I have some update on that. I'll share it in the ops channel. Maybe we can take it forward. We just have to implement and see if that works as intended. There's a price also involved in it. I'll share all the details.
Okay, awesome. Cool. There was a couple questions from last time, so if you have any answers to any of those, maybe add that into your message in the ops channel. Those are the questions from last time.
Sure.
Other than that, ECH stats, general discussion. We're now posting on, Warpcast. So if you haven't, followed us already, you should definitely check us out on Warpcast. Twitter, Discord, YouTube, and LinkedIn, as always. And soon, more on Reddit. I will put all those links in the section of the notes that will be going up on Discord. And we already reviewed the action items from the previous ECH meeting. So I think that should be most of it. I think my update is the only thing that hasn't been covered from the last meeting. So let me go ahead and just do that. We created a tracker for podcast tasks and sharing activities. Submitted one of the applications for Gitcoin 21's grant. And actually, as of this morning, I believe we are live. So if you are interested in contributing to the Web3 Grants Ecosystem Advancement Fund, we seem to be live on that, which is awesome. There are 2 others that have been put together. We haven't submitted them yet, but we will be submitting them soon once they are good to go. Optimism, haven't applied yet. We'll be working on that today. The Pandora link should be resolved since that was part of the updates that George pushed through. Update on general stats. Yeah, I think that's mostly everything. The goals and targets for ECH in the next 6 months, that was a document request, and part of that was actually part of the Gitcoin app too. So I think we have that pretty well covered. Anything else anyone wants to add?
This is exciting that we are live right now. Maybe we want to make some tweets about it, share this link on our Discord channel as well. People who would be interested in supporting us may do that because these are mostly related to quadratic fundings. I think even very minimal donation could help us go a long way.
Absolutely.
And
Cool.
And I think we are also working in the direction of Octant 5, Epoch 5. And yeah, there's one news that I wanted to share. For Octant 4, we had some hiccups receiving the grant because of some internal changes, but I think that is cleared now. And I'm just waiting on signatures of multi-sig key holders. After that, we should be in a position to receive the grant. So thank you everyone who has supported. There were 44 people, 44 users who made donation of part of their staking profit to Ethereum cat holders to support this project, this public good project. So yeah, I really thanks everyone, and I hope to get more support in the upcoming events, epochs.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, if no one has anything else, I think that's all for this meeting, and see you guys next time.
Thank you.